Hello WordPress builders, coming to you from the ACF team. I'm excited to guide you through the power and flexibility that ACF brings to your WordPress projects. Let's dive into how ACF can transform your development workflow. Custom fields are the secret to adding and managing extra content data in WordPress. They empower you to build detailed, feature-rich sites tailored to your needs. ACF simplifies creating and managing these fields, providing your WordPress sites with structured data and an easy way to edit it, whilst making your development process smooth and efficient. For example, say you're creating a site for an auto dealership with a post for each vehicle. Simple in theory, but every single one of those posts needs a huge amount of data to accurately represent the vehicle, along with photos and videos of the cars. The price, the make, model, and year are only the beginning. You also need data to represent trim packages, options, mileage, vehicle color, etc. Plus, you need to make it so that the dealer can add new entries quickly and easily. Out of the box, WordPress allows users to edit the title and content for a post, page, or in this case, a custom post type. But what about all this other data? You could use the native WordPress custom fields, but it only supports text fields to define the key and value. Not very user-friendly, and doesn't play well with more complex data types like dates or dropdowns. You could code extra areas of the edit screen for this data, but that would require time spent on development instead of building out the site, and you would need to go to great lengths to code something that makes it easy to enter the field data. Why reinvent the wheel and spend your valuable time coding something when it already exists? ACF simplifies the process for both the site builder and content editor. Start your journey with the free ACF plugin. It's robust, offering over 30 field types for building custom and complex edit screens in WordPress. With support for creating fields that require values to be entered, custom validation rules, and the ability to show and hide fields based on the values of other fields. It gives you complete control over the editing experience you are designing for your content editors. Look how easy it is to start adding the car fields in ACF's builder, and look how good that looks for your content editors, making it super simple for them to fill out. It also has an elegant user interface to create custom post types and taxonomies. It's an ideal way to extend your site's functionality, making custom data management a breeze. With a user-friendly interface and powerful features, it sets a solid foundation for all WordPress developers. Ready for more? ACF Pro is where flexibility meets power. Alongside advanced field types like repeater, flexible content, and gallery, you get the clone field, allowing you to reuse existing fields across your site. ACF blocks will take your builds using the block editor to the next level, allowing you to create custom blocks with ease using PHP templates. And with option pages, you can add extra admin pages to edit ACF fields anywhere. It's about making your site as dynamic and efficient as possible with less work and more impact. Ready to transform your WordPress sites? Download ACF at advancedcustomfields.com/download. Start with the free version and upgrade to Pro for the full range of features when you're ready. Dive into our forums and documentation, and remember, we're here to help every step of the way. We can't wait to see the innovative and dynamic sites you'll create using ACF. Remember, with ACF, you're not just building sites, but crafting editing experiences. Happy coding, and here's to creating excellent WordPress sites together.